Guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's see how many people they comment my video. I all thank you guys for coming on my videos. Look at the people. I love you all. I'll give you a shout out on December the 9th. Please, I'll give you a shout out. I'll give you my location. Even if you shout out to everything, I will do this. But there's a problem with me that you guys all love me. And I thank you all for doing this to me. I'll give you a shout out next week. I will even give you my address. Only if you all subscribe. Only if this video got no subscribers, then I'm gonna give you a shout out. And it got 1,000 subscribers on this video. Bye.